Hey guys, just a quick update on my AUDCAD trade. So last night we had the news for the CPI, and that came out slightly less than expected. CPI quarter on quarter is a little higher, but on year it is decreasing. So showing that there are signs that inflation is kind of slowing down in Australia. So on the back of that news, the Aussie is dropping, and I holded this one for quite a few days now. I think it's been 4 days. Um, had entered over there, and then now this is around. I think this is 80 pips in profit, and my original target is 130 over here. So it's already done halfway through my profit target, and basically I want to take some off and leave the rest to run. So what I'm gonna do is close. I'm gonna close 0.25, and I'm basically going to leave the rest to run, because also it is an area of support. As you can see on the 4 hour, price has bounced off down here, and I could move my stop uh, to any somewhere around here, and then I'll just trail it later on. Thank you.